Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to me, kindly click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. In this video, I will be sharing with you how to connect with your Orisha and why you should. First of all, Orishas are spirits or our special ancestors sent by Olodumare for the guidance of all creation and of humanity in particular on how to live and be successful in life. As you know that Yoruba religion mainly focuses on building relationships between us and the Orishas. It means you need to know how to have relationships with your Orisha. There are plenty Orishas in Yoruba religion, such as Ogun, Shango, Oshun, Yemoja, and the rest of them. The question is, do you need to have relationships with all of these Orishas? You may not have a relationship with them all, but it is very important to discover your own Orisha. You can know your destined Orisha through an Ifa divination system from your Babalawo, known as Ifa priest. Your Babalawo can cast Ifa for you. To know the Orisha you should connect with. Connecting with your Orisha is necessary, as Orishas are the manifestation of Olodumare for our guidance in life, and they are spirits that provide help for us. If all the necessary and appropriate rituals and offerings are done, Orishas provide help. By doing this, you are going to achieve the destiny that Olodumare planned for you before you are born. If we stop honoring our Orishas sent to us by Olodumare with offerings and rituals, it is obvious that they might stop listening to us. They were sent by Olodumare to solve our problems, but we need to always remember them with offerings and rituals. Orishas need to be honored by us for them to continue to exist. When you find your Orisha, you will have to connect with him or her. You may have to construct a shrine where you can appease such Orisha. Today, people have many shrines in their homes. And you need to know that your Orisha has a divine power to command and make things happen for you when connected with a natural force and an object that supports the connection with such Orisha and alignment. Orishas link people, objects, and powers together. We as humans, we need the natural forces in this world to work for us in relation to our destiny, which in Yoruba religion known as Ori, that is head. In this regard, our Orishas are related to our head, that is Ori. Ori is the physical head on top of our body. There are visible Ori and invisible one. The visible Ori, however, serves as the vessel for an invisible Ori. The Ori Inu, meaning our internal head, which is our main Orisha, and the kernel of our personality. The Ori Inu exists before we were born. It comes from Olodumare, and it determines our character and fate in life. You need to know that your Ori Inu, that is the invisible head, rules, guides, and controls your actions. So, for you to be guided, you need to be connected to your Orisha, for your Ori Inu to work for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge, so that you don't miss anything on this channel. Until we see again, get a better life.